Hello guys. Today I would like to introduce you to the best tutorials to Photoshop. We will be covering a lot of things in this massive tutorial. You will learn step by step how you can create any cartoon character you imagine using photo manipulation, retouching and color grading techniques. With only Photoshop and stock photos, or your own, you can create a unique caricature that can be a logo, a mascot for a product, a character in an ad, etc. You can of course use the same techniques explained in this tutorial, in a more subtle way, to spice up your portraits or images. This tutorial has a massive 89 steps detailing the entire process to achieve the image above, and don't worry, all my tutorials can be done by anyone who has basic knowledge of Photoshop. Unlike other tutorials you'll sometimes see out there, you don't need to be a skilled digital painter to achieve the same results I get here, as I'm not a good digital painter myself. In this 50-minute video tutorial, we will start with an unretouched portrait of a girl, a photo anyone can take at home with their camera and transform it into some sort of fantasy character. We will go through every step I took to get the final result, from working on the skin, color grading, lighting and finishing with a background. With the techniques you'll master after completing this Photoshop tutorial, you will be able to create many different looks for your portraits. Whether you just want a subtle enhancement or you really want to push it and transform your portrait into something that is out of this world. In this 130-minute video tutorial I will show you different retouching techniques and tricks that will help you transform regular people into eye-popping characters. In this Photoshop tutorial, we will enhance the facial features of the man and the woman, giving them a funny cartoonish look perfect for our artwork. We will then work on colors and add a background that will mesh well with our characters. In this case, I choose a background that would give the impression that those two were in an insane asylum. There is a total of 25 tutorials. I will not read all descriptions. I invite you to read the description of all the others. Link in description. Price, $25.